Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you guys are returning to the videos, thank you for coming back as well. Remember that you guys like and subscribe if you like what you see. Today we have a Dewalt DCG412B 4.5-inch grinding tool kit. Remember that this is the bare tool. It's 8,000 RPMs, 5/8 spindle thread, spindle lock. Also has a grinding tool wrench and handle, 2-position guard, and side handle. Again, make sure that you guys wear safety glasses and use safety while using this tool. Today we're going to do the unboxing. Remember that this is the 20 volt and this is the tool only. No battery and no charger included. They did a really good job describing the tool. We'll put that aside. It gives you a really good gist. We're going to put the box aside. You guys get the manual, the user's manual, which is very important. You get the tool, you get the handle. Looks really durable, and the tool, as you can see, if I'm gonna hold it up, it's kind of heavy, but the grip is pretty good. It looks really well made. As you can see, the spindle over here, the guard is really durable. You can see that it covers a lot of space. You can also see the battery terminal. I also like that it's got the writing over here about the one-touch guard. You also, as a matter of fact, which I really like, is they included a grinding wheel that came with it, which is really awesome because as soon as you open the package, you can grind away. I hope this helps you guys make the decision to buy this tool. Again, it's the 20 volt max DCG412B, 8,000 RPMs, 5/8 spindle thread head, spindle lock, and also I really like the tool. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you guys look at my other videos that I made of other Dewalt tools and rigid tools. Thank you and have a great day.